Sorry, welcome. Okay, we have a MacBook Air which is 3435B 820. This should be a 2013 MacBook Air 11 inches. So the customer said at first it was working before they encounter challenges on the system. So the challenges they encounter was the system stopped displaying, and at a spot it now stopped powering. So now when they brought it to the office for repair, what we discovered was some error content on the the RAM slot side. So if you can see very well, you'll see that we have muco here, which also can obstruct the system from displaying. So currently now, I think number one error we are seeing here is on display aspect. So this should be an obstruction to the RAM. So we have to correct this so as to stabilize the power inflow on the system. So how do we get this working? First we need a donor board. A donor board is what we are going to use to checkmate this particular issue. So let's keep watching till we fix it up. Now the next video we are going to come up now is going to be when we have done that. As time goes on, we are going to be doing a live streaming, depending on our subscribers. We are sorry for not uploading for a long time because of some technical challenges, but as you can see, we are upgrading. So we'd like you to give us some comments on the videos, whichever one that you find not well explained. You can ask questions. I'm 100% ready to give you answers and to assist you on MacBook repairs. Actually, we do other systems repair, but here we are strictly giving a description on mainly on MacBook, but we are going to give you a listening ear on other systems. So first, let's clean and remove the chip and see how we can correct the errors. Keep watching on the next upload to our work. So we have fixed the error. So what we discovered from the schematic board view, actually what was bad was C2423, cap C2423, and these two cap also is also faulty, 2501 and 2500. So now looking at the cap here, what I did was, we have ground here located with associated with 2423. Now we have PP1V2, which is a 1 volt entering to the RAM, which this leg has a contact with 2305 and 2304. Now see what we did here. This is 2304, this is 2305. Now from here you will see this contact point is having a connection with 2423. This is 2423, and this also is 2500. So what we did now, one leg of it has a connection to 2423. Now the two chips was merged together to have a one connection, which we use the lead to loop 2423, 2501 and 2500. This is 2500, 23, 24, 23. This is 2501 and this is 2500. Now we have looped it on. Now do we have the ground? We have the ground here. The ground has a contact point with what's it called? This 24, 23. So what we did now, we loop the ground together, merge the two little capacitor and give a connection from here. So now what we're going to do now is to test to see if what we did was actually working. Let's couple now to test. Okay, remember what we said here. The customer said MacBook Air, power and display. So we don't have power and we don't have a display actually. So let's see. This is 2017 A7. Let's see. Let's connect the power cable. Connected the power cable. The fan also should be connected for indication. Connected the power. Okay. Okay, so next is our webcam. Connected. We have the jack connector. Okay, we have the jack connector. Now we have our screen connected. We have our speaker connected, keyboard, okay, keyboard, backlight. We will not connect the battery now, so what we're going to do now is to plug the power line now. Plug the power line now. Okay. Plug the power line now to see. We've plugged the power line. We have no power. Okay, we have power. Okay, the system is up now. The system is up. From the fan spinning, the fan is spinning, so the system is up. Now let's see if we are going to have display light. Okay, we have a display. We have a display, and our system is up now. Our system is up now. So we've corrected the actual problem, because looking at it, he said the power and display. So he's a technician, for him to give that quotation on power and display. Because these are the chip that was removed. This is the cap that was bad. These are the little ones that was also damaged also. So we've solved this, and we believe the battery will be also charging, but